Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Joy. In today's video, we are going to be making this extra moisturizing cloves leave-in conditioner. To do that, we are going to be adding 2 tablespoons of cloves into a pot, and into that we add 500 ml of water. Boil this until the water turns brown and take it out of it to let it cool a bit. We'll move on to our oil phase. Here I'm measuring out 15 grams of BTMS 25. BTMS contains benzethrimonium methylsulfate and cetearyl alcohol. It doubles as an emulsifying wax and a conditioning agent. Next, we'll add 10 grams of shea butter and 15 grams of olive oil. And this is it for our oil phase. I wanted to keep it simple and uncomplicated, so keep that aside. And now we are going to filter the cloves. It has cooled down a bit right here. Next, we are going to measure out the required amounts. Here I'm measuring out 140 grams of clove water, and into that I'm going to add 20 grams of vegetable glycerin. Mix it up properly. This will be our water phase. Like I said before, I wanted to keep this formula very simple and straightforward. Cover the beakers with aluminum foil to avoid the perforation, so the butters and waxes can melt, and to bring the temperature to about 70 degrees. Here the butters and waxes has melted and we have gotten to the right temperature. Now we are going to gradually add the water phase into the oil phase, and make sure to whisk while doing that. After adding, continue whisking the mixture for a while and then bring it out from heat. Whisk it for a while as well, and then go in with a hand blender. Just blend it until everything harmonizes nicely. And on we'll go. So what I do from this point is to blend for like 2 minutes, give a little pause, continue blending again, give a little pause. I do this until the mixture starts thickening up. You can see it's gradually getting thicker. Once I notice a bit of thickness, like you can see here, I just let the mixture be until the temperature gets to around 40-45 degrees Celsius. Here you can see it has gotten a lot thicker. Look at that, guys. Something terrible happened. I got careless at this point and my beaker broke. I was so mad. I just threw everything into the trash. I wanted to give up for the day, but on a second thought I said I've already scheduled this video and another video even, so let me just continue. So I started afresh to make another batch. I just made it up to this point off camera, and here we are. At this point we'll be adding preservative. I'm using 2 grams of Joga 221. You can also use liquid Jama Plus or any other broad spectrum preservative available to you. So add the preservative into the leave-in conditioner and mix it really well. It's really important to add preservative to this because this is leave-in conditioner. Even if you make a small batch, you don't use it up that quickly. So it's important to add preservative because even if you keep it in the fridge, highest it will last for 2 weeks and it gets bad. So there's no point wasting your product. Now we are going to be transferring the Cloves leave-in conditioner into a jar. Guys, this conditioner is amazing. To be honest with you guys, the way this leave-in conditioner felt on my hair, I've never had any leave-in conditioner feel that good on my hair. Here we are going to be testing the pH. So I already measured out 8 grams of water. I'm adding in 2 grams of the leave-in conditioner. Mix that well and dip in the pH test strip for a few seconds. And here the pH is around 5, which is good for me. I needed to be around 5 and 6, and it was on 5, which is great. And here our moisturizing cloves leave-in conditioner is ready. I went ahead to add a label with the name and manufacturing date so that I'll know when it will expire. Now for the application, guys, here is the cloves leave-in conditioner. I'm about to put my hair in protective style. I want to do mini braids on my hair, so I'm going to use it to moisturize my hair. I'm pairing it with cloves butter. I'll leave the link of the cloves butter in the description box. To moisturize my hair, I'm first going in with water. I'm out of hair growth spray because that's my preference. I prefer to spray my hair with hair growth sprays instead of water, but since I'm out of hair growth sprays, I'm using water with this. And now I'm going in with the Cloves Leave-In Conditioner. I wanted to start out with a little bit of the Cloves Leave-In Conditioner just to see how effective it is. But surprisingly, guys, this was more than enough. It had my hair so soft and silky. Like, I've never felt anything like this before. Like, I've never used any product that is this effective. And now I'm going to seal the moisture in with the cloves butter. As usual, start from the tip of your hair and move towards the root. And on we'll go. Guys, this Cloves Leave-In Conditioner is the truth. I'm telling you, I'm not just saying this because I made it. It's just so amazing. Look at how easy it is to detangle my hair. Everything is just moving on freely. Usually, I only use white tooth comb to detangle my hair. But with the way the product made my hair feel, I was confident enough to still go in with Denman brush to further detangle my hair. My hair felt so good. It felt so soft and manageable. And now I'm going in to start braiding down that portion of hair. The combination of the Cloves Leave-In Conditioner and clove butter had my hair feeling so soft and shiny. It gave my hair this healthy glow. Cloves is rich in beta-carotene. It contains powerful antimicrobial, antifungal and antiseptic properties that heal and prevent various scalp disorders, hair loss and itchy scalp. Cloves also promote hair growth and prevent premature graying of hair. As usual, guys, I spray my hair with water, work that in real good, and then I go in with the Cloves Leave-In Conditioner. I also like to work that in, making sure it coats every strand, and now I'll go in with the cloves butter to seal in the moisture. Hold me close till I get up. Now detangle first with white tooth comb and then with Denman brush. Check this out, guys. I got some length, but shrinkage is so disrespectful. Shrinkage is really dimming my shine, guys. So I'll then start braiding the hair, then just divide it into 3 equal parts. I like to, as much as possible, get the parts equal so that they'll be at the same length when I get to the tip. You guys know sometimes can't really get these things the way you want. Initially, I wanted to do this as a braid so that you guys can see how the product feels in my hair as a braid out. But I got so busy and it was so convenient for me to just pin my braids down and wear wig if I need to go out. So I didn't end up doing the braid out. So here I'm done with the braids. For over 1 week after doing this, my hair still felt so moisturized, so much so that I didn't even feel like going in to re-moisturize or spray my hair. Honestly, guys, was that good? Just give this a try and testify. If you're interested on how to make the cloves butter, just click right there on the lower left side of the screen. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.